Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson. Grudgingly. He grudgingly accepted the job, even though the conditions were not difficult. Grudgingly. He grudgingly accepted the job, even though the conditions were not difficult. Hardship. He did the work grudgingly, and this attitude slowly led to hardship. Hardship. He did the work grudgingly, and this attitude slowly led to hardship. Jailer. The hardship increased when his manager started acting like a jailer. Jailer. The hardship increased when his manager started acting like a jailer. To turn down somebody. Because his manager acted like a jailer, he wanted to turn down the promotion he had been offered. To turn down somebody. Because his manager acted like a jailer, he wanted to turn down the promotion he had been offered. To dent. Being turned down dented his confidence. To dent. Being turned down dented his confidence. To ramble. As his confidence was dented, he began to ramble during meetings. To ramble. As his confidence was dented, he began to ramble during meetings. To put one's finger on something. He noticed he was rambling, but he couldn't put a finger on the real problem. To put one's finger on something. He noticed he was rambling, but he couldn't put a finger on the real problem. To be behind bars. Not being able to put a finger on it made him feel as if he were behind bars. To be behind bars. Not being able to put a finger on it made him feel as if he were behind bars. Supplication. Feeling behind bars, he finally spoke to his manager with supplication. Supplication. Feeling behind bars, he finally spoke to his manager with supplication. Prolonged. That supplication led to a prolonged conversation about his future at work. prolonged. That supplication led to a prolonged conversation about his future at work.